Hello everybody, welcome back. If you didn't catch my last video, built a door, and I'm not going to go over that in this video because I did a whole video on that, but there's a few things that still need to be done before we can hang it. So let's get to work. All right, guys, so this is the door that we made in that video. It's pretty solid. You know, I chose to use plywood here just because I had an extra piece left over, but you could use some other materials if you wanted to use like tongue and groove boards, or, you know, 1x4s, or you know, fence pickets or something. You could do something different with it if you wanted to, but we got to do some things to get ready for it to be hung. So it needs a good sanding. You know, I've got marks and stuff all over it, so, and some glue that I need to scrape off because I didn't wipe it off when I should have. So we need to get this sanded, get that ready. But first, before we do that, we need to do a test, kind of do a test fit in the doorway, and make sure it's gonna work out. So let's do that. All right, so now all the sanding's done. I kind of test fitted the door a little bit. It's a little bit out of square, which I kind of knew it would be. It's got a little twist in it. If you watch my the video on how I built the door, I didn't notice it until I'd already glued it up and had it all clamped up, but then realized that it kind of had a little twist in it. So I did use the belt sander and just tried to knock some of that edge off a little bit. Hopefully it'll be a little bit smoother. But now we need to go ahead and cut in the inserts for the hinges. So let's go take care of that. Whoa, like that could have been super bad. This bit not tightened up in here. That thing could have flew out. Woo, safety first. All right, so I test fitted the door, made my marks here on the door where the hinges are supposed to be. Hopefully everything lines up. So now we need to remove that material there for the hinge to sit in. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so kind of did a test fit, like I said before. Went ahead and cut out the hinge holes on here. Hopefully everything works out and it fits. We'll see. So the next step is going to be staining the door. So I just used the shop vac and kind of cleaned up all the sawdust and everything off of it. And then I typically use a wood conditioner. So and it doesn't, I know I use like Minwax, but I mean, they're not sponsoring this video. But you know, a wood conditioner keeps things from getting blotchy, makes the stain kind of soak in a little more evenly, and it's really just a few extra minutes in the staining process. So read the directions on the can, follow them. Let's get started. All right, y'all, so got one side stained and everything. I actually thought I was recording that, but it turns out I wasn't. So there's that side. We're gonna let it dry for just a few, and then we're gonna hit the other side, and then this thing's gonna be ready to hang up. Pretty excited about that. All right, people, there you go. Door is up. It's a little tight, but it opens and shuts pretty freely. So once we decide, you know, what kind of locking mechanism or whatever we want on there, but that's gonna keep a lot of dust and dirt and stuff out of here and keep the animals out of the shop area. So looks pretty good. Whew. I think it might be getting ready to storm again for the 3,000th time this month, it seems. They keep saying that we need the rain, but I got a lot of stuff to do outside. One thing I wanted to show you guys, look at this stack of pallets. So I got some projects that I've been thinking about doing that involve pallets. I got all of these for free, so I'm gonna spend some time breaking them apart and, you know, getting the good pieces out and disposing of the others. But yep, that's some future stuff coming up. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I was super happy to get that door done. Like I said, if you haven't watched it already, I've got my how I did it video making that door. It was super simple. If you need a door, give it a try. Glad we got it hung, and we got some more videos like that with some other projects and stuff coming up, so stay tuned. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. It's free. So we'll catch you guys later.